In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use aloe vera to get a lightening, smooth and whitening skin. Aloe vera is very good in vitamins and it is an antioxidant. It is very good for skin care. So therefore, in today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest and simplest way to get a lightening and smooth skin by using aloe vera. If you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share. And please, if today is your first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now let's look at the easiest and simplest way of doing this remedy. You will need an aloe vera gel and lemons. Take 2 spoons of aloe vera gel and add 1/4 spoon of lemon juice to it. Stir it up to form a uniform mixture. Gently massage it on your face in a circular motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it up with warm water. For a better result, make sure you use it daily until you get a desired effect. This remedy has worked perfectly for a number of people, and I believe surely that it will work perfectly for you too. Please kindly try it and share your experience with us in the comment section. Please kindly subscribe to my channel for more health remedies and recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.